Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, working on the 242 Group A, boy. Look at that red block. That's why we call it red block, baby. Fire engine red. Putting this thing together, put a 16T on it. It's got the anti-snow scoop on the cabin intake. It's got the BBS wheels on it. I think they're 17-inch. Little fin on the back. We're going to be going back on with the anti-sway bar once we get done with the exhaust. We got a set of louvers all the way over on the wall. 240 rear window louvers, boy. Nice tinted windows. We ran the ozone machine on the interior. Knock out that weird old Volvo smell. Smells nice and fresh in here. So we're going to see what we can get done today. Doubt we'll get it cranked up, but we're going to make some progress, baby. So I'm putting on the pulleys. I got the timing cover aligned right there with this adjustable cam gear. I got the mark there. And I'm getting ready to roll this keyway around to line with that mark there. Non-interference motor. You can time them when you feel like it. Then we'll touch the belt. IPD has the best video for doing the timing belt on this job. Have the crank turned around. The keyway aligns with the mark on the oil pump. And you see a little notch in the washer right there. So everything's aligned. I'm going to take the belt. Actually, I'm going to put the roller on, set the belt in place, and then put some tension on this belt. Then pull that bolt out of the crank, put the rest of that pulley stuff on there. Seen the new tensioner roller yet, so I'm going to hold till I find that. But here's a timing belt. You see a mark there, matches that mark up top. Mark here, matches that mark down there on the intermediate distributor roller, and the double mark here matches the mark on the crank sprocket. Let me set this in here so you can see that. Then when we get that tensioner roller, we'll slap this stuff on. And there you have it, the line there. So I can back this up just a little bit. You get your mark there lined up with that. Back that up just a smidgen. And then when this wraps around here, you'd have your double line right there on your crank mark. So, those are 3 belt marks. Put that tensioner in place, and you'll be done with the timing belt. I have the timing belt on, everything set right. That's in all the way. Bolts tight, tension's loose. Pull the pin on that. Roll it around. It rolls around great, but it walks toward the front a little bit. The belt walks to the end of the roller. Walks about a 16th or 1/8 of an inch off of the pulleys. So when I put the crank parts on there, that holds it in. Rolled it around a few times, and all is well. Now this vehicle, I believe, is missing the covers. These covers were probably the metal covers. One of them appears to be missing. So we're going on it with the plastic covers until we find metal covers to replace it. And the covers are not fitting properly because of this setup was made for the metal ones. So we're modifying the plastic covers to fit this engine. So I'm going to cut some of this plastic cover off. When we find the metal ones, we'll put the metal ones back on there next time the belts change. Newer style cover. Put a notch out of here for a bolt on the water pump. took some notches and cut some slots out the bottom, and that thing is going to fit right on there like that. And the top cover will probably hold it on better, and we can put a screw, little bit of a washer down there, just kind of hold that in place, and put the top cover on. Should be good to go. Got the covers, got those on, cut notches out of them and whatnot. Top cover is really holding this cover in place. That and the slit over there. Little bracket on the bottom. Perfect fit. Put this pulley on. Paint the last little exterior part of that pulley. Then we'll put this pulley on. Thing looks like it's got a key. Let me make sure that thing is not. Oh, yep, there's a key for it. Yep. This doesn't have a harmonic balancer. It's got these pulleys. So let me get these on right. Put a couple of nuts in them. Alright, got one more pulley to set on there. And then you got. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.